Welcome back, guys. Before we proceed, remember to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, EODigi Store, for more videos on tech tips and DIY, like this one. Today, I want to teach you how to.
Alright guys, first of all you need to download the Google Chrome browser. If you have Google Chrome browser, good and fine. Click on Google Chrome. On the search bar, type in Gemini.com. Gemini or Google Gemini.com. Okay, here is the interface. Allow it to load up the work area. Yeah, allow it to load up. It's coming up. Here is the interface. Boom, guys. So you have the text area. Enter your text. You type in your prompt. On my next video, I'm going to be sharing ideas and tech tips on prompt engineering. I also have an ebook for free prompts that you can use as a newbie to design professionally. Yes, I have it on my store. I'll be sharing the link in my next video. If you're interested, you can leave a DM or call. I have my numbers displayed on my bio. You can also visit my store from my bio using the links that are attached. So alright guys, we have typed in the prompt, and remember to upload a picture. That is the picture you intend to use for this particular project. After I type in my prompt, I'll upload a picture. Alright guys, we are still typing in the prompt. Enter your prompt we are going to see, or appropriately, the outcome, guys. Depending on the outcome you will also have. Alright guys, you can see me entering my prompt carefully. Okay, we are still entering the prompt. Remember, garbage out. Take your time, construct your prompt appropriately. Alright guys, you don't have to rush this particular phase. This is where you clone your brain using AI. Remember, AI is here to augment your work, so use it wisely. Alright guys, here we have entered our prompt. Now we need to add our preferred image, the image you want to use for the prompt you just entered. Okay, I have uploaded my image, my preferred image. Alright, allow it to load up so it will be displayed on the text area. Alright, boom guys, the image has uploaded, so you simply click on the send button for processing. Alright, you can see it's working on it. Alright, you can see the prompt. Boom guys, that is our outcome. Alright guys, this is fantastic. This is our outcome. Alright, following the prompt we just entered, this is our outcome. You can see guys, an office space and well suited on my office desk, and boom guys, you can decide to screenshot or save the image directly to your phone's gallery. For me, I screenshot the image, or I can as well decide to click on the download button, usually on the image top right corner. Thanks for watching guys. Remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel to encourage me to create more videos like this one.